name's Mikky and welcome to Invent with Mikky. I'm an inventor and I love to build and create things, but I also love to play with slime. I've been making slime for a long time and I use like beads and all these cool gems in my slime. I find slime really cool. Oh, there goes my beads. I find slime really cool because I can watch the ingredient activate, like when I add the borax solution to my glue. I love how it forms, or when I add my salt to my shampoos, it forms into a really cool glue, a goo, and then I can play with it. Today I'm going to make a machine that dispenses slime ingredients with a press of a button. So the best part is to turn my slime machine on, I have to put a key in, and that means I can hide the key so my little brother can't go in it. And put it in the keyhole, like a car really. And then all these lights will turn on it and all of my buttons and pumps on my machine will turn on, so everything will work. Now let's get into it and start making my slime machine. Okay, so I've got my drop saw and now I'm going to put this into position. So now my dad's behind the camera, so just for supervision, and I got my safety gear on. And you're all the way. So I'm at the table saw, but this is dangerous, so I'm going to need my dad's supervision. He's behind the camera, and I also need my safety equipment. So my dad's cut this for me, and now I've got my two sides. It's going to look something like this. And I'm going to now screw this together with my dad's help. So Dad! It's gonna go like this, and then I can put my in. So this needs to be this hot. Wow! Did you see that?
Yeah.
And now let's put it in this, and now it's gonna be real weird. Okay? And once it's crimped, the main will be nice and tight.
So hard to crimp them, aren't they?
I'm gonna push this to the blue one. Then grab it.
Here comes the one.
how we're gonna pop it on.
Whoa, that's a water pistol.
Turn on my key. Now my legs are up. So my slime machine's finally finished. I'm going to bring it upstairs and make some slime. I got my slime key and let's use my slime machine. Woo! Okay, next I'm going to add my shading. Ah! It's exploding everywhere! Then stop this. And now I'm going to make this extra stuffing with some soap. Now I'm going to add my colour flash activator. There we go. And let's mix. Time for the glitter. And some pink glitter. Woo! And mix my machine slime. Let's put some more borax in. Oops. Okay, enough borax. My machine worked very well. Didn't make the best slime, but it was cool. Are you ready? I'll say thanks for watching this video, and then we'll go. When I tap you, you say bye. Ready? Thanks for watching this video. Bye!